we have got, see, for any solid waste or wherever the decomposing material is there are four kinds of problems associated, or we cannot say problem, it is a natural decomposition process, and there are few of the things associated with it. So what are those four things that are associated with it? When the decomposition happens, what happens is there is a lot of microbial action that takes place. Microbes are generated and there is microbial action takes place. Now, but while decomposing, due to this microbial action, there are certain gases that are evolved as a byproduct. One is the hydrogen sulfide, second is the ammonia, third is the methane. Correct? Now in this, hydrogen sulfide and ammonia, these are the gases which the quality of which is they are a lot of pungent and they give the foul odor. Our product Renerzyme takes care of all these things. There is a Tranquil company has launched a product Renerzyme which is made by IEC, and this product is a phenomenal product which will take care of all these things. How? Now what is this Renerzyme? Renerzyme is just a mixture of microbes. You've got good bacteria and a bad bacteria, right? So this is a mixture of good bacteria. Then you pour it, when you mix it with the kachra or the garbage, we have good bacteria coming in. So what does this good bacteria do? It does three things. One, it suppresses the methane generating bacteria, correct? Two, it suppresses the foul odor generating bacteria. And three, it accelerates the composting, right? Now when the foul odor generating bacteria are suppressed, there is no foul odor. You see, within 24 hours, all this organism will take over, and tomorrow this will be foul free, correct? And it will be a long lasting process. Once this organism get in, they keep on regenerating themselves. Okay, so this is what it does. As far as the composting is concerned, this is the normal procedure takes somewhere around 60 to 70 days for the compost to be completed. That can be brought down to around 20 to 25 days. Absolutely no chemicals. This is zero chemical compound. It is just the microbe. See, sometimes your stomach gets upset. What your mom does, she gives you dahi, right? The good bacteria. So it restores the ecology. This is all naturally balancing the natural system. Now this product has also been tested at Mira Bhayandar Municipal Corporation. Where the MPC board people had come, they have checked the product and they found that the foul odor has come under control. This has also been certified, checked by IEC, ICT, then we got the certification, and the same thing, see, all these things are good on the paper. But here we want to actually demonstrate and show you, for you to gain the confidence that this thing is working, and only after you have been satisfied, you can you start using the product. Right?
मडगाव म्युनिसिपालिटीक एक प्रपोजल आयिल्लें ट्रँक्विल कंपनी कडल्यान, ज्यामुळे तांचे कडेन एक प्रॉडक्ट आसा म्हणून सांगलें तांणी, विच इज एन ऑर्गेनिक प्रॉडक्ट विच हॅज टू बी मिक्स वीथ वॉटर एंड स्प्रेड. आतां ही जी पळय आमकां फाटल्यान गार्बेज दिशिल्ली आत्तां तुमी स्प्रे केलें तें बी पळयलें कडेन आसा, ज्या पद्दतीचो तो कचरो आसा. नाव दे हॅव गिवन द डेमो yesterday. I believe that they have given similar demo in Panjim. We have now here with us there will be two aspects. One will be the ear, second is the hips which we have seen while coming here on the roadside. तातूंत भितरलो एटलिस्ट वास तरी बंद जावचो आनी लोकांची ते सकाळ फुडें आनी रातचे जे सी ब्रीज लँड ब्रिजा बरोबर तो वास सर्क्युलेट जाता, तातूंतल्यान लोकांक मातसो विसव मेळचो की दीस इज वॉट इज आवर मनांतल्यान आमचो प्रयत्न आसतलो.